Yeah, good day, Nigerians. Um, Comrade Jerry Okunta, the founder of the Global Voice of Reason and the president of Core Nigerians for Positive Change. Like Aristotle said, man is a political animal. You understand? So I'm a politician. I'm not trying to be egotistical. I'm not trying to be boisterous, but I know that I am a staunch PDP member par excellence, if I'm not mistaken. I have a lot of followers at home and in the diaspora. I have a lot of people around me also who are party faithfuls. And in Delta State here, we are ready to make the articulation work. That is, Atiku Abubakar is the next president of the Federal Republic of Nigeria, inshallah, by the special grace of God. What God has said, what Allah has proclaimed, no man can erase it. PDP,
Power to the people.
PDP.
Power to the people.
Sorry for that infringement. PDP.
Power to the people.
Who is the next president of Nigeria 2027?
Alhaji Atiku Abubakar.
Who is the next president of Nigeria 2027?
Alhaji Atiku Abubakar.
I hear you, Nigerian youths. Very soon, I'll start showing you in everything we are doing. God bless you. Like I've been saying, these youth are just sitting here. I have over 40 of them. We are strategizing on how to reclaim the state, Delta State. I will reclaim it. I am somebody that is committed to the upliftment of our nation. I am not committed to allow despotism, autocracy, nepotism, dictatorship to reign. Our move is to enthrone a viable democracy that is devoid of sentimental negativeness and a quest for ephemeral avarice. All the wealth Bola Ahmed Tinubu is looting, excuse the mayor, all the looting that they have been looting, I need tell them I need honey and cold and sorry, hot water and honey. All the looting of the treasury, all the killing of innocent Nigerians, which is obvious that the military has been compromised due to lack of sophistication of weapons and gadgets as well. Excuse me. I am telling you that we can never be dissuaded, we can never be confused. We are going to synergize with well-meaning Nigerians like the way we have been doing to make sure that Bola Ahmed Tinubu did not come back as the president again. He's been the president of Nigeria, ushered in a lot of violence, ushered in innumerable kidnappings, ushered in ceaseless corruption, ushered in constitutional breach and breach of fundamental human rights of Nigerians. Nigeria, as a nation, have independent National Electoral Commission, and the Electoral Act has it obviously that Nigeria is a multi-party state. Bola Ahmed Tinubu is incorporating a lot of governors by threatening them, excuse me, with jail terms, threatening them with Economic and Financial Crime Commission, which is a stooge of the federal government for vendetta and instilling fears on people they want to corrupt into their debauchery and humongous indecorum. I, as the spokesman of the Federation, am calling on United Nations, calling on the United States of America, that my name is Jerry Okunta. Amnesty International knows me. The president of Nigeria and his son, that is called Sheyi, have taken over Nigeria to be a banana republic where they can make obnoxious laws, excuse me, loot the treasury of Nigeria, and excuse me, um, success, success. Give me that. Give me water now. Even before that one boils, just give me normal water to drink, right? Put it on a glass or a cup. Pour it on a cup. Sorry for the infringement. I don't go to the studio. I don't rehearse things I say. I have a lot of boys in my house. All of them, we are in here for this change. And Nigeria as a country is going to experience a drastic change. Because of the spirit of my coughing, I think I will stop for now so I can take care of myself. And I'll be pretty much back later. Thank you and God bless you. Okay, let me have the water. Thank you very much. God bless you all.